G'day legends, in today's video I'll be trying to get a full run on the bottom 7 jumps of Rampage, along with a couple of young champions, Hamish and Anton.
Oh wow, this is bigger than I thought.
Hey,
Oh.
man is playing Minecraft for me.
I can't find my bike.
Rampage is an insane jump trail at the goat farm near Perth, Western Australia. It has a total of 17 jumps ranging from 21 to 40 feet in length. We'll be aiming to ride all of the jumps after this crazy 35-foot moon booter. That is, a 24-foot gap into a 23-foot right to left shark fin, a 33-foot slight left into a 35-foot slight right, into a massive 40-foot long and low. Finally, a 22-foot right shark fin into a giant 28-foot double. To keep track of our progress, I'm going to be using this scorecard. We'd cleared a couple of these jumps in the past, but I think it would be fair to say that we were all still Rampage newbies. But thankfully we had a couple of experienced Rampage riders there to help us.
Here comes Rowan.
Rowan, ride your own lines.
The jump's that way!
And Elijah, red guy. And Daz was there too, ready to dial up a green and white taxi for his young fella Hamish, if it all went to
Should we go and do the bottom couple to get warmed up?
Yeah, we warm up on last.
And then
I haven't done it in 3 months.
move up the hill?
I'll head down, yeah.
Yeah, alright, cool. We won't be down there for too long, hopefully.
We were on a tight schedule due to a mini bike event later on, so we didn't want to spend too much time on the bottom jumps. I'd cleared these two before, but I still felt some nerves dropping in behind Elijah. While Elijah tried to suicide no-hander, Hamish was struggling to find his groove.
I went very low on the shark fin there. This is not scaring me. I think Anton's going for it.
Anton was having no such trouble.
You!
Now I need to do it.
Elijah continued his quest for a suey. Anton dialed it in, and Hamish, he was being a little essay. He wasn't about to give up though.
Whoa, shit, Hamish.
That? No way.
That was a good call.
Dude, just because the camera's out, you don't have to put 1-footers off everything.
Then Elijah got his suey.
Yes!
Anton started getting friendly with his bike. Only Hamish left to clear
I
it.
don't know what I did. I did the shark fin, I just went in funny and I'm like, nah.
Do you want a tow or you'd be happy? Or do you want me to follow?
Oh, give me a toe if you don't mind.
Yeah.
He foolishly accepted my offer of a tow, and Daz was feeling the pressure.
Oh, Ryan. Oh, too easy.
Yeah.
That worked out better than expected.
Woo!
I even tapped my back
Nice.
brake in the air. Oh, I'm happy I got that now. That's happy.
Well done.
That was scary.
Hey, you boosted it really nicely, Hamish.
We had time for one last train before we moved on.
I scared the crap out of me in the middle of the jump. Because I looked completely down, I'm like, oh.
Alright, do we want to head up to another one or?
Which jumps are we doing now?
The two from that roll in, yeah,
Alright.
the gap and the right, left to right shark
I
fin.
haven't done those two yet.
As we headed up to the first 2 jumps, we checked out the middle 3 jumps.
Have you done these ones, Ryan?
I haven't, mate. I'd love to do these today.
This is the one that I'm worried about.
The last one's got a massive pace tab.
This goes in okay, so.
Straight off this other jump as well.
Is it easy to break after?
Yeah. Yeah, if you don't want to hit the other one, it's no worry.
Oh, I'm worried about this one.
Far out, this is bigger than I thought.
Turn around and
So big.
It's very deaf.
Wow.
Who's building the bridge?
I'm worried about the angle.
Yeah.
Bro, don't even worry about the angle.
No, it's.
I don't want to
you've got
land
so
over
much
there
visibility.
though.
Daz decided to go for a quick spin, but made sure to leave Hamish with some words of encouragement.
Hamish, my phone was on. I'm just going to head up the hill.
Oh,
You need to go to hospital.
I've got plenty. Shut up, will you, please? Thank you.
We were distracted by these middle jumps, but we tried to
But the
refocus.
shark fin is really sketchy when it's like this angle. Like, I don't like how it switches
Try it
from
straight.
that to that.
If I can ride it, you can ride it.
Treat it as a straight jump.
Alright, I'll have a look.
I felt pretty nervous as we lined up to demo the shark fin.
It's literally been a year since I've been out here.
Oh, good.
Being glued to Rowan's wheel gave me more confidence than it probably should have. Mission aborted, but that was 3 more jumps that I could tick off.
I was like, if Brian was behind me, he's going to be so freaked out now.
I was.
Just landed at such a big angle off this thing.
Yeah.
Around the corner,
roller.
you crank, and then roll, and then you're good.
Yeah.
Just like settle, and then you fly off it.
Yep.
With Elisha's advice, I felt like this next one was achievable too. Hamish was still getting distracted by these jumps,
So scary.
and Elisha was nearly ready to throttle him.
Hamish, think about one thing. Okay, firstly, forget about this, because if you're going to do that first, you just need to do that first.
Yeah.
So let's go up and do those.
Let's go up and do that.
Then out of nowhere, Anton came flying in from the fire road run-in.
Yeah, Anton. Nice, mate.
Did I land those clean?
So, yeah. Yeah, you got this one super clean, and then you just glided into the second one.
Yeah, you like brake and then you pedal and then is you going, is you not?
It felt like I shut my eyes the whole way through it. I can't remember the whole thing.
I don't like this. This is just looks so shit.
You want middle to high.
You want to be taken off about like there and then landing high.
Yeah, Anton.
Anton dropped in again from the fire road, aiming to hit the 40-foot long and low following these 2 he'd just done.
Sick.
Yes, surely. Yes. Mate.
You.
Squeal, did they hear that?
You're going so much faster. It's so weird getting down there.
Even around the berm, as soon as you get out, pedal again.
That looks so strange. Man, it's playing mind tricks on me. So annoying.
You got this, man. Yo.
You're right.
I was going to watch. Oh, Hamish wants a demo. All right. Oh,
Come on.
what does that mean? Does that mean I have to go to the bottom?
Yeah, the bike's back there.
I can't find my bike.
There was no escape. It was time to attempt a full
I
run.
mean, you know the speed anyway, you're following.
Yeah, I'll hang it back a bit from rolling this time.
Yeah,
good
Ryan.
We're good. Yeah, we're good.
Send it.
Yeah, yeah.
What happened?
Too fast for the final berm?
I think my brain exploded and I just I got the rest of them
Nice.
except that bottom one.
My brain was feeling pretty cooked, but I'd done all the jumps. I just needed to keep it together, top to bottom. The boys were getting closer too.
Well, if I can do this one, I've done the bottom from there. Those ones just feel insane when you're in mid-air. It's like the breeze in your face is like, oh, it's
Yeah,
so good.
just floating.
I was going to take off from like down here.
Here, at least. If you go down there, you're not going to get the distance. Ooh, nice case.
He survived.
Nice! Yes, Hamish! Yahoo!
You.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sick, though. You got it now.
Yeah, now I know what I've got to do.
Nah,
No, not at all.
tagged it.
Better than mine.
And you were well near the top.
There's no doubt that this is a tricky jump. Rowan rode it as high as he could and it seemed to work well.
Oh, yeah. That was better.
Yeah, yeah. I think we're going to do a top to bottom.
Drop it!
With time running out, this could be my last chance for a full run.
Yeah, boy.
Stoked. Now we just have to get the boys over the line. And just for some added pressure, we were now officially late for the mini bikes.
Go, Hamish.
Good effort. You going to get it done?
I'll have to.
Next minute, Anton flies past on a top to bottom run.
There's cameras everywhere. Okay, Hamish is coming.
Only Hamish to go. If he gets this, then we've all managed to tick it off.
Yes, hamster.
Everyone!
Yes.
Everyone who wanted to do it got it done.
Good work, man. Yoop. Thanks for the tow-ins and everything. That was excellent. Well done, mate.
Holy Christ.
That was awesome.
Oh, I'm so happy. I could cry. Held my breath the whole way down. Like I got to the end and I was actually like about to pass out. I remember coming to goat farm, never thinking I could clear the Stills Park line, let alone Rampage.
Well done, mate. I think we've all done well today.
Oh, I'm stoked for that.
Congrats to Hamish and Anton for getting it done in style, and many thanks to Rowan and Elijah for their tips and patience. It had been over a year since I watched enviously as Rowan, Elijah and Dave ticked these jumps off for the very first time, and it felt amazing to finally get it done. It did make me wonder though, could I have done it sooner? Perhaps, but I could have also ended up with a broken arm and a mushed up face. And spare a thought for poor Daz too. He's only just ticked off the Legacy Road Gap, and now he's got this to think about. No stress, mate. We'll get you there. And finally, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you've hit these jumps and if you've got any tips for me. That's all for now. Catch you in the next video.